Underneath the buzz behind drones and satellites changing security, intelligence, and automation lies a vast yet still obscure world in the open ocean. The currently overlooked area is and will become increasingly vital, as shown by how maritime choke points are still vulnerable to military and paramilitary threats, as seen in and around the waters of the Red Sea. Not to mention there'll be a growing need to keep an eye on remote stretches of water, especially towards the Arctic, where exploration for deep-sea mining could be a reality in the near future. Along with the importance of keeping existing shipping routes and offshore infrastructure safe from natural and unnatural threats alike, as well as the need for clean energy to power more automation and efficiency to survey, explore, and research the depths of the ocean, which are still relatively untouched when compared to resources directed at science in space. That's why OPT, Ocean Power Technologies, has its sights set on spreading across the 7 seas. OPT is swimming with the current by continuing efforts to decrease operating expenses, which already resulted in improved cash flow back at the start of the year, reaching $10.2 million, up from $3.3 million at the end of April 2024, while international reach already expanded far and wide in the first half of 2025. As we go over these expansion efforts, it's important to note some information like location, and even customer names are intentionally vague or outright not available due to security and confidentiality reasons, given the nature of some of OPT's technology that could involve surveillance and intelligence gathering. For example, around the first quarter, OPT secured a contract from a European offshore services provider for a fully integrated WAM-V unmanned surface vehicle, marking expansion into certain regions of the European Union, working with end customers and resellers. The vehicle was assembled immediately and shipped to the customer with training and services provided in country. Around the same time, a binding letter of intent was received to deploy a power buoy for an undisclosed customer to demonstrate the survivability and suitability of the system for certain defense and security applications in extreme sea conditions. This demand built on signing a teaming agreement with a major international defense contractor last year to provide its Marrow suite of solutions focused on specific geographic regions. Then in April, a contract was secured for a fully integrated WAM-V unmanned surface vehicle from a new international government customer for near-term delivery. It was stated the order will increase the value of the company's previously announced expansion into certain regions and working with end customers and resellers. OPT's reach has also extended to Latin America and the Middle East, driving interest in its offerings. This took the form of OPT signing a reseller agreement with Electron SAS, giving OPT commercial reach across Latin America. Under the agreement, Electron will offer sales integration and support services for OPT's suite of intelligent maritime technologies, including WAM-V unmanned surface vehicles, next-generation Powerbuoy, and the Marrows platform. This partnership is expected to significantly expand OPT's presence in the region while leveraging Electron's strong local network and relationships. OPT also recently signed a reseller agreement with Grava Hydrographic Solutions to expand the availability and sales of OPT's unmanned surface vehicles, USVS, specifically their wave-adaptive modular vessels throughout the United States. This partnership aligns with OPT's strategy to scale access to its marine robotics portfolio through trusted channel partners for maritime data collection survey operations and coastal monitoring applications. On the topic of trust, OPT is focusing on reliability and security through its majority domestic supply chain. OPT confirmed that its current inventory levels and procurement practices remain unaffected by recent developments impacting international logistics and raw material availability. It says its U.S.-based workforce enables the company to maintain agility and responsiveness while continuing to fulfill customer commitments on schedule. Into the second quarter, progress was made in the areas of testing and trials. OPT successfully completed its first sea trial for its WAM-V autonomous surface vehicle at a U.S. Coast Guard-approved test site in New Jersey. The sea trial was conducted for a customer with significant operations in sub-Saharan Africa. The test site in southern New Jersey has been permitted for OPT's use, allowing the company to conduct tests year-round on both the East and West Coast. This development is expected to streamline the testing process and reduce the time from booking to revenue recognition, and make it easier for customers to receive their products. Since the newly permitted test site will enable OPT to test its WAM-V vehicles 24/7, 365 on either coast, the path to faster R&D has arrived, along with the ability to quickly and conveniently showcase products and new technology to potential customers. Because the WAM-V is a versatile and autonomous surface vehicle designed for applications ranging from ocean operations, surveillance, and data collection, OPT can provide safer and more productive ocean operations, whether that be for security, intelligence, or ocean exploration of any kind. Meaning this technology has potential to extend its applications into industries like offshore energy, not just maritime security and environmental monitoring. So the successful completion of the sea trial cannot be understated. It demonstrated OPT's capabilities and expertise in designing and testing autonomous surface vehicles for a wide range of potential customers, gaining recognition and trust in the process. Speaking of which, Ocean Power Technologies earned Trusted Operator status in the Association for Uncrewed Vehicle Systems International's AUVSI Maritime Certification Program. The AUVSI Trusted Operator Program is designed to establish a high standard for training proficiency and safety in the operation of uncrewed maritime systems, further bolstering the solid foundation of trust needed to secure and maintain contracts. As Philip Stratman, President and CEO of Ocean Power Technologies, stated, the recognition reinforces the confidence customers have in the company as a reliable partner for persistent maritime domain awareness and mission-critical operations. The Trusted Operator designation provides a framework for standardizing skills and practices across the industry, helping customers and stakeholders identify operators who meet high standards of performance and accountability. Then, at the end of June, OPT was issued a notice of allowance by the United States Patent and Trademark Office for its groundbreaking system for an autonomous floating marine charging solution. This technology enables electric vessels, including uncrewed surface vehicles, to safely locate, dock with, and recharge from a floating energy platform while at sea. The newly allowed patent protects OPT's breakthrough system, which is designed to address the increasing demand for clean maritime operations by enabling offshore electric charging without reliance on port infrastructure. This solves a real-world bottleneck to persistent autonomous maritime operations. The technology will be a cornerstone of how OPT's WAM-V autonomous surface vehicles operate in extended missions. When paired with its Powerboy, the floating charging station will integrate seamlessly with the Powerboy platform, allowing it to serve as both a power generation node and a recharging hub. This will enable WAM-V autonomous surface vehicles to conduct long-duration missions with minimized downtime and no need for shore return. The patent covers multiple key features like signal-emitting guidance systems, flexible and secure mowing structures, wired and wireless energy delivery mechanisms, and options for wave-powered self-sustaining energy generation, all of which will be vital for scalable, intelligent offshore infrastructure, thus laying the groundwork for OPT to establish a leading position in offshore autonomy. With this patent, OPT strengthens its IP portfolio and expands its capacity to support clients operating in remote or infrastructure-limited marine environments. The solution provides a foundational capability for extending the range and autonomy of uncrewed maritime systems. As Philip Stratman emphasizes, by enabling persistent power at sea, OPT is not only increasing the endurance of its WAM-Vs, but also expanding what's possible for its defense, commercial, and scientific customers. And whether it's advanced offshore infrastructure supporting defense, security, or research missions, AI plays a role in innovation. A fact demonstrated earlier in the summer when OPT installed its AI-capable Merrow's Powerboy system for the Naval Postgraduate School in Monterey Bay. The system integrates AT&T 5G technology and advanced sensors, enabling seamless maritime domain awareness integration across manned and unmanned platforms. The Powerboy system will provide continuous autonomous monitoring and data collection in a strategically significant maritime region. It's designed to support additional environmental sensors from the Naval Postgraduate School or other research partners, enhancing maritime security and operational awareness above and below the surface. According to Philip Stratman, this collaboration with AT&T demonstrates the potential for Powerboys to serve as 5G communications nodes along the U.S. coastline. The technology is expected to accelerate the growth of ocean power technology services business, driven by increasing demand for rapidly deployable maritime systems. Wes Anderson, President Public Sector at AT&T, highlighted the company's commitment to modernizing network infrastructure for future technologies. The partnership between Ocean Power Technologies, AT&T, the Navy, and the Naval Postgraduate School aims to develop 5G and edge computing solutions for naval platforms supporting national defense, homeland security, and the maritime community. With this backing, along with OPT's earlier wins, a solid course is being charted towards smooth sailing for the future of autonomy on the open ocean. For more on ocean power technologies, crypto, and other stocks, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.